Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. Then let's tap on it, for example this one, and tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact, and tap on the circle. There we've got some sections from which we can choose the picture from, so the illustrations. I highly recommend to check them because they are really cool, and it will help you if you do not have the photo of the person you'd like to add the picture to the contact. Here we've got Google Photos, so those which were backed up, and device photos, the gallery, the camera. You can tap on the camera, so your device will allow you to immediately open the camera app, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Let me choose something from the gallery, something from the downloads, maybe this one. And right now we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on choose, and the photo will appear right here. So to confirm, tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.